Okay class, so today we're going to be doing the flexibility test on my younger brother Michael here. So we're going to be only focusing on the knee today, so we're going to be testing out the degree of flexibility on his knee on both extension and flexion. So we're going to go ahead and zero out our digital goniometer here. Okay, so as you can see we have it set to 0. Now we are going to conduct the flexibility test, so I'm going to need you to flex your knee as much as you can. So we're going to want to put the acronym of the goniometer parallel and right on the joint of the knee. And go ahead and follow that band that he has on his knee perfectly to the knee joint. And we're looking at about 123 degrees of flexion on his knee. We're going to go ahead and write that down. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and zero out our goniometer again. Okay, remember this time we're going to have you just normally flex your knee. So we're going to follow that pattern first. So it should be at a roughly close to 90-degree angle. Okay, so now we're going to be testing the extension. So I'm going to need you to go ahead and extend your knee. Okay, so that's 170 degrees, which basically is your almost full 180. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do it on his right. On his right knee. So go ahead and zero out the goniometer again. Now go ahead and flex your knee as much as you can. Again, keep the chromion right on the joint of that knee. Okay, keep it the joint parallel, and then match the angle of his knee. And we're looking at about 132 degrees of flexion. So we'll go ahead and write that down, which is a tad bit more than his left knee, which is usually what you expect when you use your right knee and right foot more often. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and set our goniometer to 90 degrees and match his knee up with that angle. Okay, go ahead and extend it. Okay. So again, we're right at about 170 degrees of flexion. So we'll go ahead and write that down. Okay, so that concludes the knee flexion test. So we're going to take a quick break and then continue on to the YMCA Say and Reach test. Okay class, so here we have my younger brother Michael about to do the YMCA Say and Reach test. So what you want is to have their feet lined up with the blue tape line that you've marked down as your 15 inches on your yardstick. You want them to be roughly 10 inches apart, which is good. So now what I'm going to have him do is I'm going to have him take a deep breath in and stretch. Try to reach whatever number he can. So we're looking at about 14 inches. Go ahead and breathe out. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and do that one more time. Take a deep breath in and stretch. Now reach for it. Okay, so again, roughly at about 14 inches. And take a deep breath out. Okay, so that would conclude the YMCA Say and Reach test.